guys, today we are at Spiel Paradise. This is a parking place. So we're going to see the Kinder Spiel Paradise restaurant and bowling nightlife. So here you go inside. So come with me, let me show you guys what's inside. So when you come inside here, this is the entrance side. So there you can get stuff, and here is the where you can buy your coffee or so forth. So there is a bowling part. That's the bowling part there. So you want to bowl. And that's where you take your shoes, order your drinks. And down here you find the Spiel Paradise. So this is where the kids play. So this is the playing part for the kids, and you have different part here. Also here's a restaurant here, so you can sit with the family and enjoy. And here you see. So let me go in and give you a tour. You have the ball, the goal for the ball, and so here you have games. You have the trampoline there where you can jump. There also is game. Here you can slide. You slide with these stuff here. Here you have different parts for the kids. So yes. So you bring the kids here, the kids can enjoy. There's also a game there. For the kids. Nice place for the kids. So I'm skating. So guys, we're at Spiel Paradise. The kids. Lots of stuff here to do with the kids. Hot. So here you have other parts where you can climb in the camera. Sorry. Hey, burning up. So we're gonna go upstairs. Upstairs you have game. I'm tired. So this is the view from the top. The bathroom is here, but that side.